Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Eureka. Basically, Ministry of Civil Aviation has released draft drone rules 2021 for public consultation. So, what are the key takeaways from the draft drone rules 2021? First one is approvals abolished. So what kind of approvals abolished? Unique authorization number, unique prototype identification number, certificate of conformance, certificate of maintenance, import clearance, acceptance of existing drones, operator permit, authorization of R&D organization, student remote pilot license, remote pilot instructor authorization, drone port authorization, etc. Number of forms reduced from 25 to 6. Fee reduced to nominal levels, no linkage with the size of drone. Safety features like no permission, no takeoff, a real-time tracking beacon, geofencing, etc. to be notified in future. A 6-month lead time will be provided for compliance. Digital Sky platform shall be developed as a business-friendly single-window online system. And there will be minimal human interface on Digital Sky platform. This Digital Sky platform is very important, and there will be minimal human interface. And most permission will be self-generated. So, and there will be easier access of any kind of digital accessibility, and less will be the human interface on Digital Sky platform. An interface airspace map with green, yellow and red zones will be displayed on the Digital Sky platform. Yellow zone reduced from 45 km to 12 km from the airport perimeter. No flight permission required up to 400 feet in green zones and up to 200 feet in the area between 8 and 12 km from the airport perimeter. No pilot license required for micro drones, for non-commercial use, nano drones, and for R&D organization. No restriction on drone operations by foreign-owned companies registered in India. Import of drones and drone components to be regulated by DGFT. No security clearance required before any registration or license issuance. No requirement of certificate airworthiness, unique identification number, prior permission and remote pilot license for R&D entities. Coverage of drones under Drone Rules 2021 increased from 300 kg to 500 kg, and this will cover drone taxis also. 16th number is all drone training and testing to be carried out by an authorized drone school. DGCA shall prescribe training requirements, oversee drone schools and provide pilot licenses online. So, issue of certificate of airworthiness delegated to the Quality Council of India and certification entities authorized by it. Manufacturer may generate their drone's unique identification number on the Digital Sky platform through the self-certification route. Easier process prescribed for transfer and deregistration of drones. So, standard operating procedures and training procedure manuals will be prescribed by DGCA on Digital Sky platforms for self-monitoring by the users. No approvals required unless there is a significant departure from the prescribed procedures. Maximum penalty under Drone Rules 2021 reduced to 1 lakh rupees. This shall, however, not apply to the penalties in respect of the violation of the other laws. Drone corridors will be developed for cargo deliveries. Drone Promotion Council to be set up to facilitate a business-friendly regulatory regime.